cranes over the years have wore the rails out, and the rails wore out, so they are replacing all the rails that the cranes ride on. It's a 500-foot bay, so they're replacing actually 1,000 foot of rail because there's 500 foot on each side. Here for a week we're shut down, so we have to have, production's down, so we got to hurry up, get in, get everything fixed and back together by the end of the week, so we're ready to run production by the end of or the beginning of next week. Hoosier Crane, we have a good relationship, and they have done most of our work here. They're handy. They probably have done 90% of our crane projects. We have 23 overhead cranes in here, and they've probably done at least 20 of them. So okay. They've treated us well.